Okay, now students, today I continue our revision sessions part 2 in the chapter number 2. So you write down the numbers previously again the one. Yes, last up to I explained 17 questions and then after moving ahead to another. Yes, write down question number 1. Sine inverse sine of 3 times sine inverse of cos A. Just you can suggestion this internal portions, this one, and assume something theta. Sine inverse of cos A become theta. So definitely they cover to right side. Cos A is a sine theta. And here I just read my question sine 3 and that's my assumption theta. Now anybody known sine 3 theta formula? Just say if you known, then 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, and putting this sine theta value respectively here. Sine theta is a cos A, similarly here cos cube A, and that you take minus common outside, then 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, and that also you know which is cos 3A, and that's your answer students, cover by these solutions. Next, continue second one. Cos of 3 times cos inverse 2 by 3. Students, here also I just assumption by this theta. Suppose only assumption cos inverse 2 by 3 is theta. So definitely we'll do cos theta 2 by 3 and cos theta 2 by 3. Here I just operate my data. This is your theta suggestions. So cos 3 theta, and cos 3 theta formula we know that yes 4 cos cube minus 3 cos theta, and putting down their values respectively. Cos theta is a 2/3, so here attach 2 by 3 cube, next 2/3, so that answer is a 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, this cancel, only 2 by 1. Now simple take LCM. 8 4s are 32, 2 into 27 by 27, so your answer is 32. 27 2s are 54 by 27. Now just subtract the data. 4 minus 2 2 and 5 minus 3 2. Yes, minus 22 by 27. That's your answer students. Next, continue same as to third one. I hope you understood very well. Students, first I taking short numerical 1 mark and 2 mark, then after I explain also 3 mark and 4 marks. Now third, 2 times tan inverse x, tan inverse 4 plus tan inverse 8 by 15 is a dash dash dash. So we first, these are mentioned in the 2 times. So one time tan inverse 4, another also tan inverse 4, and that should be same as. Now these two value for checking x into y, 4 into 4 16, and 16 is must be more than 1, and whenever you more than 1, then what I explain, answer is always pi plus tan inverse, and this should be same as 4 plus 4, 1 minus 4 into 4. This pi plus always take if your product is more than 1. Last class also I explained that type 1 numerical. Now solution. 4 and 4 8, 1 minus 16, and that is same as, and that's very easily solution done here. 10 inverse 8 by 15 but minus, and that also 8 by 15. Check, these are the solution for minus carry outside. 8 by 15 and that also 8 by 15. So this and this cancel. Only my answer is just a pi. Yes, again I repeat, whenever your product value for the 10 is more than 1, that you write down pi plus, and otherwise solution is very simple. Now moving towards next one, question number 4. Yes, that also interesting. This is the IMP for exam level. 3 times sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi. Then asking x is dash dash dash. That type question also I explained in the last video. Yes, this I written. For the compare by this, 2 times sin inverse x plus 1 times sin inverse x. Because these two are additions, I know that these two addition I know. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, which is a pi by 2. So 2 times sin inverse x, here pi by 2, and that is the pi. So 2 times sin inverse x, pi minus pi by 2. Now calculate pi minus pi by 2. You know that exactly pi by 2 divided by 2, so it is a pi by 4, and final define x. Yes beta, what happened? What happened Vraj? Yes, second step is a 3 times sin inverse x. I written 2 times plus 1 time. 3 times is splitting in the 2 part. First of all you split that, and that I know pi by 2. That's why I splitting both. Okay. Now going to fifth one. Fifth also easy. Students, this question also IMP for Guchket level. Guchket level asking the parts one by one. Next, one more. Fifth, if cos of 2 times cos inverse x is 1 by 8, then x is become dash 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 dash. So very easy. Here this internal data you just suggestion theta. Suppose cos inverse x is a theta. Definitely x become cos theta. Now our target achieved to that, this is I cos 2 and that is your theta. It become 1 by 8. Now cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos thinking, that is the known 2 cos square theta minus 1, and 1 by 8 is as it is. Very easy. Over that I just put it the value cos theta is known x, and I just simplify 1 by 8 plus 1. It will get 1 plus 8 by 8 will do 9 by 8, and also the 2 divided that 9 by 16. Yes, 8 1 is 8 plus 1 9 by 8, so x square become 9 by 8 into 2 9 by 16. So x is a plus or minus 3 by 4. Now after that, according to options, you decided your correct answers. Okay. Yes beta. That is the property for 11 science. In 11 science I explain no 5 group property. Second group beta. Just see the 11th standard trigonometric formula. All 5 groups of trigonometric level we written 5 times beta in class. Okay. Now moving towards next one. Over. Continue question number 6. 6 also I taking in the same level. Tan inverse twice a minus b by b root 3 plus tan inverse twice b minus a by a root 3 is equal to I. This is a IMP question, students. Many time asking in your exam that type questions. Property same. I just start my property tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is your x, that is your y. Twice a minus b by b root 3 and twice b minus a by a root 3. Now just take out the LCM. LCM, see, be carefully taking a root 3 multiple with this and b root 3 multiple with that. So tan inverse a root 3 with twice a minus b. Same b root 3 with twice b minus a, and upon LCM I same as a into b into root 3 into root 3. Same upon denominator. This and this product with 1. So a into b into root 3 into root 3 with 1 minus twice a minus b twice b minus a upon as it is a into b into root 3 into root 3. That is a big part. Don't worry, it's all are cancel after simplification. This cutting with that, and here just multiply inside. You will get first product twice a into a square and root 3 twice a square root 3. Next ab root 3. Same here, twice root 3 b square and minus ab root 3 upon same as to denominator take. This is our root 3 into root 3 3 into ab. It will be 3ab. Next these are multiplied but in curly bracket 4ab. Next minus 2a square. Next minus 2b square plus ab. And then after I simplify to least solutions, and that become the answers. You just find out where is the like term. That type questions only you define where is the like term. Then you easily cover your answers. Okay, I write down step by steps. Just find out here like term is possible. Yes, possible. This is a like term. ab root 3 and ab root 3 both are minus. So tan inverse 2a square root 3. Next 2 root 3b square. Next these are like term, minus 1 time ab minus 1 time ab. So minus 2 time ab root 3 and upon. I love you clear. I think these are the two like terms, and here I expanded the internal brackets. That's my answer is coming 3ab minus 4ab plus 2a square plus 2b square minus ab. Again you collect your like terms and try to common in numerator common. Anybody telling what is the common in numerator? Yes, it is 2 root 3 is common. A square plus b square minus ab. And denominator also same. Just these are like term. These are like term. 3 minus 4 and minus 1. Indirectly your like term is a 2a square, 2b square, and these are the 3 minus 4 minus 1 and minus 1 means minus 2ab. Again you common take 2 root 3 a square plus b square minus ab upon, here I take common only 2. Now your big journey is over. This cancel, that also cancel, and other I know that when will be tan root 3 at how many degree? Tan is root 3. Anybody? Tan 60 or tan 30? Tan 30 is a 1 by root 3. It is 60 degree. 60 I mean pi by 3. Yes. That's your IMP question done. One more IMP question I take, and that also asking in the exam. Only one little statement is changed. Sec of tan inverse 2a minus b by b root 3 minus tan inverse a minus 2b upon a root 3. Just that type calculations is defined by there between minus or sorry. See, these questions and this question is same or not? 2a minus b by b root 3 and a minus 2b by a root 3. This is a minus or sorry. Minus given. By mistake I written. Here you take minus common outside. There plus and 2b minus a. It is same, no? I mean 7 question and 6 question is totally equal. Here take minus carry outside. It will be plus 2b minus a by root 3. And this whole solution already I explain here. So I only write down what? 60 degree. And sec 60 you know, cos 60 is half. Here too. But in between, this calculation is again coming in this part. Okay. So this is your also IMP question, 7th one. Because they depend on the 6th one. Now moving towards next one. Question number 8. Continue going ahead to 8th one. Now 8th is also many time asking in our good CET. Yes. 8th one, cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 2. Yes, cot inverse 2. So very easy. Here I just assumptions something like theta. So suppose cot inverse 2 theta. Definitely cot theta is 2. So tan theta is half. You will define by tan theta is half. Now if you further operate these parts, definitely you will cover 45 minus 2 theta. Now anybody known the formula for cot x minus y? This is your formula. If you know, then cot x minus y, cot y minus cot x plus 1 cot x into cot y. 11th science formula. This is your x, that is your y. So cot 2 theta minus cot pi by 4 plus 1 cot 2 theta cot pi by 4. In short, cot 45 I know that, but cot 2 theta is unknown, no? So that I define by this tan 2 theta. Vraj, here also I going to our third group in the 5 groups. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and attach tan theta is half 1 by 2 whole square, and this cancel 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4, in short 3 by 4, so 4 by 3. This is a tan 2 theta, but I want to cot 2 theta, it is 3 by 4, and those values I attach here. and simplify my questions. So this is also students IMP questions. Today I taking to one more upgrade questions. Yesterday last day explanations regarding. So cot 2 theta is a 3 by 4. This is 1. Same 3 by 4. This is 1. Now take simple LCM and create your finally answers. Yes. So 3 plus 4 by 4 and 3 minus 4 by 4. So 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Yes, definitely 4 cancel. 7 by minus 1. It should be minus 7. But this is the main step. Tan 2 theta I define in the terms of formula tan theta 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square, and then after I define cot 2 theta and putting here successfully values. Now moving next one, ninth one. In the ninth, value given if x is equal to 1 by 7, then find value of 2 times cos inverse x plus sin inverse x to outsider cos is a dash dash dash. Yes, very easy. Just of all this you property known, I just split into 2 parts because cos, these are 2 times I written cos inverse x, cos inverse x, and this is as it is. All of you, these are known you. How much is this? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, that is pi by 2. So I just write cos of cos inverse x plus pi by 2. Just rearrange 90 plus cos inverse x. And this I suggestion theta. Suppose cos inverse x is theta. So x become cos theta. And just putting here cos 90 plus theta. Anybody know which quadrant? 90 plus? That's your all STC. 90 plus, this is 90, plus means anti-clockwise going, second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative, and 90 then change, sin theta. I know the cos theta x, so here I declare sin theta is under root sin square theta, and that is under root 1 minus cos square theta. And cos theta also I known x square, this x. Now final ending, x value is I known 1 by 7, put down there and finished your sum. So under root 1 minus 1 by 7 and simplify it. So minus 1 minus 1 by 49. So 48 by 49. 48 splitting, I think you know 16 threes are, I mean 4 root 3 by 7. That your answer. 16 threes are 48. So 4 root 3 splitting and 49 is 7. Main IMP these steps. Cos inverse I split into 2 times. Sin attached with that, and that is I know pi by 2. And then after simplify to best way in easiest to easiest form. And that become your answers. Continue. Question number 10. Very easy. In 10th one, yes, this also very interesting questions. Tan of 2 times sin inverse 12 by 13, and here define your value to internals. Very easy. Here I assumption theta and make it in the value for in conversion of tan. So suppose Sine inverse of 12 by 13 will be theta. So sine theta is a 12 by 13. But now you wait and here read what you're reading. 2, this is your theta, and tan 2 theta, we will know that third group 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. That's why here I go to triangle. This is theta, opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse sides. The value for 12 by 13 means this 12, that 13, definitely it is 5, no? 12 square 144, 5 square 25, 145 25 169, and that's why the tan theta is ready for that, opposite by adjacent 12 by 5, and then putting the value 2 12 by 5 1 minus 12 by 5 square and calculate. You easily simplify, your maximum to maximum answer is covered here. 24 by 5, here 144 by 25. So 24 by 5, 25 minus 144 by 25, and just simplify. How much? 144 minus 25. Anybody? 144 minus 25. Here 3, here 10. 14 minus 5, 9, 119. So 24 by 5 into 25 by minus 119. Now almost done. 5 5 is 5 into 24, which is 120 by 119, but in minus. So again I repeat, you just suggestion for the internal parts is theta, and then after you moving the act, you define by the property tan to theta, 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and value put it and simplify your easy to easy solutions. Now next one, question number 11. Also IMP and one of the difficult questions. It is a 3 marks question, sir. If 0 less than x less than 1, then tan inverse under root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x dash dash dash. Yes, that type questions given, and just I simplify our solutions. These are 3 marks question, sometime asking the prove that also. Okay, first I define this data under root 1 minus x square. So tan inverse under root 1 minus x into 1 plus x, and that is same as. So can I write down the split the root internally? Root 1 minus x, root 1 plus x, and this 1 minus x also I will write down root 1 minus x, root 1 minus x. It will be show the root only, remove 1 minus x, this cancel. Now your numerical is very easy, under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now I assumptions, suppose, just going to suppositions, you formula known very well, x is equal to cos theta. If I assume theta is a cos inverse x, and the range is theta belongs to 0 to pi for the cos inverse x, and putting down your values, under root 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and this formula I think you know. If I return one more steps, 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos, that's your answers. Fifth property beta, group number 5, fifth property, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, it is a tan square theta by 2. So root same, 1 by, it is tan square theta by 2, and take it upper side cot square, and then after I remove finally my solutions, so it will be cover tan inverse under root 1 upon tan square. So it is a tan square theta, and 1 upon tan square is a cot square theta by 2. So your final value is only cot theta by 2, and cot also translate in the 10, 90 minus theta by 2. Yes, 10 90 minus theta, it is a cot theta. And then now both remove 90 minus theta by 2, and here you putting your theta. What side theta assumptions? Cos inverse x attach here, and that is your answer. Yes, this is a 3 marks questions, not the easy, but again I explain this. I make splitting the two parts, just like a square minus b square, and this I written 2 times because root same functions cancel, and suggestion by x is equal to cos theta. That's a simplify, and here apply your 5th group. If you know, we written all 5 groups, so you one more time revise. Yes, and that's I answer 90 minus cos inverse x by 2. Now continue question number 12th. 12th is easy taking, don't worry. If cos inverse x by 25 plus sec inverse 25 by 7, which is pi by 2, then x is dash 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 dash. Here you operate your theorem. If you know the theorem, then you easily calculate your solutions. This is a cos inverse x as it is right down. This I translate into anyhow in the sign. So sec inverse 25 by 7, if I take theta, definitely sec theta 25 by 7, and put down on triangles. This is the theta. Why I translate in sign, I explain here. It is opposite, adjacent, hypo, 25 by 7. Definitely it is 24. 24 square, 625. I mean 625 total cover to 25 square. 24 is a 576, and 7 square 49. Both total 625. So definitely your sin theta is ready. That opposite by adjacent, theta becomes sin inverse 24 by 25, and this should be I putting here, and happily our numerical is done here. Look at that, cos inverse x by 25 plus sin inverse 24 by 25 is equal to pi by 2, and that is your property. Our theorem number 3, if you know, then cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to 90. It means this x and this x are same. So here also this x and that angle is same. X by 25, 24 by 25, 25 gone, only x is a 24. That's your answers. I again repeat, why I converting in this form of the sign? Because I know this property and operate by this rule for cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2, and that's the students, this numerical is easily done here. Next, one more taking to 13. Question number 13, and 13 is a very easy numerical I take, don't worry. Cos inverse of 4 pi by 3. It's very easy, and I think anybody calculate these sums. 3 splitting in the terms of 4, so cos inverse cos 3 pi plus 1 pi, and defined by the calculations for solutions in the simple to simple way. Correct? So my answer is cos inverse pi plus pi by 3. 3 pi plus 1 pi, and pi plus pi by 3 is a which quadrant? all s tc. Here your pi plus third quadrant, and third quadrant is a cos function is negative, cos pi by 3, and cos 60 is a half, so pi minus cos inverse half, and that is your again pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is your correct answers. So indirectly, students, okay students, today I explained till up to 13 question only in this revision session part 2. Okay, today class is over students. Bye bye.